All be on diagonal, all right? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And then the arm goes down, the heel goes down, 4. And then you must do 5 and 6, the pirouette to 7, 8. Okay? So, 1, keep that back leg straight because this is a Balanchine fourth, the extended fourth. Point and reach, yeah, and then, sorry, I'm sticking to the floor. And then lower the heel and arm, then curl it, right, this way, and make sure this goes even farther over the toe, the knee. You've got to feel that knee, and then you're going to very, very quickly, once you get to here, you spot, and then your arms just round, and you close in the 5th, okay? So this can be a 4-4. 1, 2, so wait. No, adagio. Yeah. And plie, slide. Lower your heel and arm, curve. Got up, 5th. Plie, slide. Up. Arm and leg, left knee, right arm. Okay. You know you have to spot. That's what you have these things. These are called eyes. You have to do that. You have to do it with your eyes, Okay. So you stay here, you stay here, you